Good morning, people, and welcome to Stinky's art class, where we have the best students in the world. Today's lesson is how to draw a train. And I think this is going to be a good one. I actually made a sculpture of a train the other day, so I'm excited to try to incorporate what I learned in that. So I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to put the train tracks first. Okay, and you'll see why in a minute. I'm sorry if this marker is making noise that hurts your ears. I've had some students tell me that. I'll try to draw more softly if that's bothering you. I know that can be annoying. Okay. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay. Now we're going to go in the train. First thing you have is the locomotive, I believe it's called. Now, who's going to be the conductor? There you go, your favorite conductor, Stinky. Okay, there's train number 1. And then you got the passenger trains. We'll put some people in there. Oh boy, Stinky did it again. Ran out of room. Oh. You see that, class? I messed up a little bit, but it's okay. We'll do some perspective and make it interesting anyways. We can always fix our art, right? Nah, I didn't mess up that bad. Actually, I think it made it look better. Let's just do a bigger wheel. The trains have the big black wheels anyway. I don't even know if they're called wheels. Oh, okay, class. I'm kind of just drifting off here, working on this. And let's draw our passengers. That guy's a cyclops. Okay. Stinky's train ride. Okay, class. Thanks for attending class today. Appreciate you joining us. I would suggest trying this lesson out. Draw along with me and see if you enjoy it. Okay, class. Have a great day. We're going to cut class a little bit short so you can go work on your art and get ready for an epic lesson coming up because I have a lot to reveal. All right. Thanks, class. Bye. Class dismissed.